In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a macro in Zendesk and share some best practices to help you streamline your customer service operations. Whether you're a seasoned Zendesk user or just getting started, macros can significantly enhance your efficiency by automating repetitive tasks, allowing your team to focus on more critical issues. Let's dive right in by heading over to the Zendesk login page. Open your web browser and type in the Zendesk URL. Once you're on the home page, you'll want to look for the sign in button, which is typically found at the top right corner. Clicking on this will take you to the login page. Now enter your email and password credentials. Remember, it's essential to keep your login information secure to protect sensitive customer data. Just after entering the correct details, you'll be directed to your main dashboard. With the dashboard in view, you should see the view option. Click on it to access a list of all current support tickets. It's here that you'll be selecting a ticket, which is a crucial step in our journey of creating a macro. Once you've selected the ticket you'd like to work on, check for the three dots, sometimes referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on these dots provides additional functionalities associated with the ticket. From the expanded options, choose the Create as Macro option. Macros are essentially predefined responses that allow you to quickly address commonly asked questions or issues, saving you valuable time and ensuring consistency in your responses. Next, you'll be prompted to add a macro name. Choose a name that's descriptive and easy to remember. This is crucial because as your library of macros grows, you'll want to be able to identify and retrieve them quickly. If necessary, include a brief description to add further clarity and context. Descriptions can be incredibly helpful for your team, providing additional insights into when and how the macro should be utilized. Satisfied with your macro's details? It's time to make it official by clicking the Create button. Congratulations, you've just created a macro. Remember that macros can be edited or updated as your needs evolve. Regularly reviewing and refining your macros ensures that they remain relevant and effective. And there you have it, you're now equipped with the knowledge to enhance your Zendesk efficiency through macros. Not only will this save time, but it will enable your team to provide quicker and more consistent communication with customers. Keep experimenting and optimizing your macros for the best results, and don't hesitate to explore the other useful features Zendesk offers. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more tips and tricks to boost your customer service operations. See you next time.